Alright, going right into it. No hand warmers needed. Alright. Ooh. Slime with a nice, very nice shine there. B-Money with some neutral airs. Slime getting off that platform, knowing that he's going to be tippered if he doesn't. Very nice power shield. Starts taking control of the neutral here. Up throw. Oh! It's caught on the stage, and Edgehog will take stock for B-Money. Forward air to grab. Okay. Slime knew he had to get off that platform, otherwise he was going to get fucked up still. Very nice air dodge on the stage. Still gets punished for it, but not nearly as hard as it could have been. Forward smash is missing. Very nice spike, yep. Denner's going to seal it out. Players tied 3 stocks apiece. The percents don't really matter too much in this, because one combo just means death for either one of them. One good combo. A few pokes for Slime here. Slime starts it now. Nothing comes out of that one. Very hard choice with Thundercats there. Alright, Slime walling out with lasers. B-Money missed dash attack, gets punished for it. Very nice back air on the stage, and that actually seals out the stock for Slime. Taking his first lead. Ooh, very small combo from Slime here. Manages to DI in the tech on stage, but does end up being forward smash, losing that stock. That was nutty. Both players dash dancing. Slime getting that grab. He might with grab. Oh, misses forward smash. Gets the re-grab. Tech chase. Oh, misses the up air. Slime does have a chance to get away here. Forward throw into nothing. I like the option. Ooh, nope. Slime does manage to make it back on stage. One forward spin, yep, that'll take the stock. Slime's in at 85, his stock is nearly gone. Ooh. Throw, back air, okay. Nothing much after that. Ooh, okay, Slime's sitting at 105. At this percent, it's actually hard for Marth to get kills. His most common combos can't be used anymore. Ooh. Missed ledge guard. B-Money, and Slime takes the first game. Slime up 1-0. Alright, these are best of 5 matches, so B-Money is just going to choose his counter pick immediately. Goes right to FD. B-Money was dropping a few grab follow-ups last game, so let's see if that's actually going to affect him with the chain grab on FD. Yeah, it looks like B-Money is actually just in control right now. Just like that, one game, Slime stock is gone. B-Money only taking 11%. No follow-up from the up throw. Shines out, but doesn't really get too much. Oh. Got reset, okay. Tilt. Oh. Slime coming back on with the down air. Does manage to buy him a bit of time, but ooh, that tipper is huge. B-Money up 4 stocks to 2. Slime really needs to do something, otherwise he's at risk of just getting short here. Oh. B-Money really in control here. It almost looks like Slime has 0 options. Down tilt, okay. And a forward. B-Money 4 stocks to 1. Alright, up throw. Down throw, he's going for a gimp here, yep, he gets it. And that is a clean 4-stock from V-Money. Oh, got to change the score from last time, but yeah, they are both tied at 1-1. Alright, Slime taking V-Money to Dreamland. Arguably Marth's worst stage. Very nice air dash back on. Ooh. And somehow both players do make it back. That, yep. Steals out, Slime stock. This is looking almost exactly like the last game. Oh! Slime. Yep. I sing. Alright, V-Money goes up 2-1. And right back to Dreamland. Slime just didn't like the game they played there, I guess. So it ended quickly. Now, even though Dreamland doesn't allow Martha tipper through platforms, he still does have the ability to change that for a little bit, at least in the middle. That tipper is huge. It's actually going to go ahead and take out Slime's first stock here. Slime not ready to give up. Down tilt. Nope. Oh, the up smash. That might actually take the stock. Nope. He is able to recover. He does still have a jump. Slime with the hardest reads doesn't get it. Alright, just like that, we're even the stocks. Very nice Slime back there. Alright, V-Money with the grab. Doesn't really get a follow-up of that. Slime ready to start a combo here. Very weak F smash. Had combo potential, but nothing came out of it. Oh, Sucker's not skilled out. Alright, up there. Oh, misses the forward smash. Players virtually tied. It's really just whoever gets the first big hit. Ooh, double A's from ledge. Could have been punished. Alright, Slime loses the stock. However, one more hit and Martha is dead. Ooh, Marth grab range. V-Money does make it back. Oh! Short hop bear will still on the stock. Slime only had 2% depth save, which is virtually nothing here. Up throw. Forward smash from V-Money. Oh! Thundercats. Odd choice. Alright. Throw. Kill. Forward smash. Not the tipper though. Oh, that is the stock. Alright. Bear. Alright. Forward air wall coming out. V-Money gets punished for it. Shield grab. Oh! Oh, okay. Slime actually recovers where V-Money has been gimping him there previously. And that will be the game. V-Money takes it 3-1 over Slime.